Hello friends, welcome to the new video on my channel. Today I am flying to Amritsar via Delhi. I'm right now at Nagpur airport. From here I am first flying to Delhi. I have a layover for 4 hours in Delhi, and from there I'll be traveling to Amritsar. So I'm going to see the place Golden Temple in Amritsar, and from there I will be also traveling to Kartarpur corridor. So that all I will be sharing with you guys in my journey. So let us see a little bit around the airport here in Nagpur. So I am here in the terminal 2 at the Nagpur airport. So as you can see, there is a Haldiram right behind me to eat. There is a Ding Shots. Then there is this place called Indrayani Handlooms, where people can buy some clothes if they want. And then there is a thing called Maha Orange. I think they have some snacks and ice cream over here. So that's the view of the airport over here, as you can see. Or my flight is actually at 2:20 in the afternoon, and currently it's 12:30. So I will have to wait another 2 hours over here. So until then I'm just roaming around here at the airport. So finally we are about to board the flight, friends. So long queue ahead of me waiting to be boarded. So we'll be boarding soon. So here is the bus which is going to take us towards the flight, and I'm going to board the bus now. So just about to board the bus. So right now in the bus, and having seated over here, I'm going towards our flight now. So now just the bus has departed towards my flight. You can see the people over here, and we are approaching towards the flight. So here is my flight, guys, and this is the Indigo flight, and so actually my seat is in the back side of the flight. So they have sent me in the back side. So I'm going to climb the stairs. So finally we seated in the flight, guys, and it's going to be departing in few minutes from here. So now slowly we are taking off from Nagpur. The flight is about to take off. It's feeling really nice to be traveling after a long gap of almost 1.5 year due to the COVID situation. So till I reach Delhi, just enjoy the view outside the flight, guys. So see you in Delhi. So finally guys, we have arrived at the Delhi airport. I am here at the Terminal 2. Here's a beautiful Santa Claus as there is a Christmas coming up. So guys, I'm here at the airport still, and I'm wearing the mask because they have made it mandatory to wear the mask. So right now I'm checking the flight gate for Amritsar. You can see here on this board we have the gates for the different flights, uh, from where the flight to the respective cities are going to be departing. So I'm just checking the one for Amritsar here. So my flight was cancelled and I had to travel by bus. Hello friends, right now I'm actually traveling on my way towards Amritsar in a travels. So since my arrival in Delhi last night, unfortunately my flight to Amritsar got cancelled, and since I had to make it at 10 o'clock in the morning today to Amritsar, I couldn't wait for their next flight because it was in the afternoon, and in that case I would have missed my journey to Kartarpur. So that's the reason I in the last minute took the travels. So I'm right now sitting in the travels, and the reason that they told that the flight was cancelled was because of the fog. They were not getting network or a signal for their flights to land. So as you can see, there is a lot of fog outside here in Punjab, Amritsar. So that's the reason they had the flight cancelled. So right now I will be reaching in about an hour, and from there I will probably hire a taxi or take train, whatever is convenient, and I will keep updating you after my arrival. So keep watching. So friends, here we are at Amritsar finally. So the street views here in Amritsar. So we got this tuk-tuk actually. Probably I thought it would be a good experience to ride this tuk-tuk. And see, it's quite cold out here, and you can see the fog. There's a lot of fog here in the Amritsar city. So we are going to be reaching our hotel in next 5-10 minutes. So since it's early morning, so most of the shops are closed here.